it's a nice deep boxing lesson that Manny Pacquiao is giving Brandon Bam Bam Rios.
So far, hindi pa nakakabam si Bam Bam. Hindi pa tumatama ng mga kombinasyon, yung mga patama niya sa katawan. Magkano nakikita natin sa mga kalaban niya.
Look at the roundhousing tactics ni Bam Bam Rios, especially in the clinch.
Hey, walking face sad.
Ikaw siya gusto ko yun, kawaking dyan.
Ayaw mo sabi ako. Ayaw sabi ako.
That's the right way to do it. But when you get into a clinch, man, you should push away.
Yung dating sakit ni Brandon Rios, nakikita na naman natin
Labasin
dito,
na kwanto yan,
his style
dila,
of
no?
moving in without throwing any punches. So you're saying that yung instinct ng boksingero, you go back to your style no matter what adjustments you make.
Yes, especially when the chips are down. Sometimes you panic. So only everything that was done by panic.
Right hand ni Manny Pacquiao, yun ang pumapasok.
Yung tinatawag natin na default move. Yung talagang babalik at babalik ka. Pag hindi na magandang yung yung sinubukan mo sa gym for 3 months,
Layo.
you will always go back
Layo.
to what you know.
Brandon Rios, typically roughhousing, holding the body from close range. Manny throwing punches but no connection that time. That time, may connection. And here you go, shots in the body, shots in the face.
Rios is having a hard time throwing his own punches. He's so busy throwing the cover up.
Kasi nauna.
Ay, hapit na to.
Manny has the right idea. Just hook.
Naigo pa to, nakapalutos.
Big round here from Manny Pacquiao. Going downstairs now. Being taken here by Bam Bam Rios.
Natakaw eh.
Voice punches when there's a clinch.
Yeah.
And he's really using it.
Susunod na kuwan sa bunsunan pa tuman.
Hindi naman siya sa bunso, no? Sumali ba? Hindi siya.
Solid round here from Manny Pacquiao.
Okay,